toes and a toy flip flops. Manicures and pedicures and always tip top. And they say I'm not hot, I'm just lazy to stop. I'm scared.
Hey everyone, it's Camille. Welcome to my channel. So today's video, I have a special guest. Hello. This is my sister Mia. So she's gonna be choosing all my makeup that I use, besides my skin prep, like primer, eyeshadow, everything. My brushes, the style of makeup, the colors. I'm scared. I'm not scared of nothing, but I'm scared.
You shouldn't be stressing. You'll be fine.
I said what I said. Don't tell me what I shouldn't feel. So I hope you guys enjoy, and please pray for me. And let's get started. She picked out the Urban Decay Brow Beater Micro Pencil. Even though I don't ever use this, but it's fine. I'm fine. It smells good.
You can consider your brush, right? Huh? You can consider your brush.
Do you want me to? Yes?
Yes.
So she wants me to conceal my brows. I usually don't do this. I don't usually conceal my brows unless I'm using like dip brow. So for concealer choice today, she picked out of all of my concealers, the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow. Why did you choose this concealer?
I usually use them.
So I have number 7, which is Cream Cafe, and I have number 5, which is Sand Beige. I think I'm gonna use Sand Beige. Can you use a brush?
Yes.
What am I doing next, ma'am?
So you're going to use the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion.
To prime my eyes? I see you like Urban Decay. Oh wait, do you want me to use tape? Because I see you brought tape.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so she wants me to use tape. Solamente eres para mí. Okay, so she's not only choosing my eyeshadow, she's choosing what I do and the colors. So what do you want me to do exactly?
I know you don't do naturals.
Nope. But if you want me to, then I guess that's what I'm doing. That's what you're doing. Okay. I'm gonna have to use the Anastasia Prism palette. What color do you want me to use?
Alright, so I want you to use this color.
You want me to start with this?
No.
Oh. What am I starting with?
Starting with? We're gonna start with Parallel.
Parallel?
Yeah.
As my transition shade.
Yes. You okay?
I'm great. Are you okay? Please choose a brush for me. So I'm going to be using the Morphe M433 brush. I'm going to take Parallel. You just want me to put it in the crease? Yeah.
You're gonna use space. I like right here.
What?
I'm gonna use space.
Where? On the lid?
Not like all over it, but like
Didn't you want me to do a cut crease? Okay, are you going to let me cut the crease? Okay, what do you want me to use to cut the crease? You usually use concealer to cut the crease? But that's just me. Okay, now what do you want me to do with that?
alright, so you cut the crease.
Yes.
So you're gonna do space. Actually no, do on the lid.
The whole lid? Can I use setting sprays? Oh, now I'm using Sphinx from the whatever, the prism. It makes me feel like I'm in a prison.
Janella wishes you luck.
Thank you, I need it. Okay, now what? Ooh!
Okay, Mia. So you don't look crazy. That's true.
Wait, that's it? You want nothing else? That's all you want? You sure?
I don't want something like
Actually,
you're gonna have eternal, but like in the middle, like right here.
I'm gonna take Eternal and put it in the middle, I guess. So you wanted me, okay. I don't even know what she's, okay. Okay, so you want me to do eyeliner? She chose the Urban Decay Razor Sharp Longwear Liner in Perversion.
Urban Decay.
First of all, Urban Decay needs to sponsor her, but you want a wing or just the top line or what?
Wing.
Ooh. Okay,
I got you.
Now what?
Now. We are about to contour.
You want me to bake?
I
If you don't want to, it's okay because I usually don't bake.
Yeah, me either. So that's what I'm not gonna do.
You just want me to set it?
Yeah.
I was gonna suggest something, but
It's about me right now.
she picked this out, but it was kind of like my only contour option besides the Naked Chef palette. This is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette. No, Contouring Palette, Contouring Caramel Toffee. I love this.
So scared. That's fine.
Okay, now what?
See, what was it to be scared?
I'm so scared.
We're still scared.
Now do what we do.
Right now, you're gonna highlight.
Like with highlighter? Like the powder. She picked out the Glimmer Mercy highlighter in Addiction. Pick a brush. I usually put some spray. That's a cheaper brush in there too. Do you want me to do a nose highlight?
Yes.
You realize as soon as I asked you that question, they said you getting on my nerves with them questions? Wow, no inner corner highlight, no brow highlight. Who am I?
You still look good. It's a good one.
My favorite blush. This is the NYX blush in Peach. I don't think they sell this anymore.
Maybe it's your blush.
Huh? Yeah. She wants me to use the Kiss. These are the Kiss Phony Couture collection in Negligee. These are actually one of my favorite lashes at the moment. For setting spray, her bougie self chose my Marc Jacobs is dirty. The Marc Jacobs Perfecting Coconut Setting Mist. This is the finished, the look. Honestly, not as bad as I thought it would be. If she would have done my makeup, then
There would have
had
been
a problem.
problems. But it's not gonna happen.
But I think she did a pretty, like, this is pretty neutral for me, but I like it.
It's so cute.
So, I hope you guys enjoy. Comment down below, questions, comments, concerns, suggestions, your favorite part of the video. More challenges, more videos I should do with her, or if I should kick her out and never have her on my channel again. Follow me on Instagram. I hope you guys enjoy. Please comment, rate, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.